Alright, welcome back. Today we will start with the question number 16. Okay, let's go right away. Question number 16. If the natural logarithm of the e to the x power is equal to 1.93, then the log with the base of 3x is equal to... Okay, for this kind of problem, what should we do? Right, we should apply ln to the both sides, right? So if you apply ln to the both sides, what do we get? ln e to the x power is equal to ln 1.93, right? This cancels out. ln and e cancels out. And we're left with x is equal to ln 1.93, right? This is approximately equal to 0.6575. So, since we're looking for this value, right? If we put 0.6575 in place of x, it is. If you put that in your calculator, it is approximately alright, before we do this, you cannot really put this in your calculator, right? We should transform this to another format. How should we do this? According to the property of the log, we can rewrite this as log 0.6575 over what? Log 3. With base of 10 is, we just skip writing this, right? Right, so if you put this in your calculator, you will get negative 0.38. So, the answer should be negative 0.38. Correct answer is A. Okay, let's move on to the next question, number 17. The graph of the y equals f and x is shown below. What is the range of f and x? This is an easy question. They're looking for the range of this graph. Okay, so let's look at the range. I see the minimum point here, I see the maximum point here. What is the minimum point here? It is negative 1. Maximum point is 3. Therefore, what is the range of this graph? It is greater or equal to negative 1, but less or equal to 3, right? Therefore, D is the correct answer. Let's move on to the number 18. Number 18 says, which of the following is true? Okay, so there are 3 statements. Let's look at these one by one. The first statement is, if x is equal to 1, then the x squared is 1. Is it true? Of course it is true. So, if x is equal to positive or negative 1, x squared is equal to 1. Therefore, the first statement is true. What about the second statement? If x plus y is 3, then the x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. This is false. Why is it false? Because x can be 2, but x can be also positive 1 as well, and y can be positive 2 as well, right? So we cannot say this. This is not absolute. Therefore, it is false. What about the third statement? It says, if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2, then the multiplication of the x and y is equal to 4. Is it true? Of course it is true. Therefore, the correct answer should be the first and the third statement. So, the D is the correct answer. Okay, easy question. Let's move on to the next question, number 19. Okay, let me read a question. In the figure below, the length of the AB is equal to 5 and the angle of the B is equal to 38 degrees. So, what is the length of H? In this triangle, we see we're given the length of AB and we're given the angle of B, 38 degrees, and we are looking for the value of H. What value should we use? Should we use cosine, sine, or tangent? Right, we should use sine value. So, sine 38 degrees is equal to what? It is equal to h over 5, right? Accordingly, if you put this in your calculator, then h is approximately 3.08. Easy question. Therefore, E is the answer. Okay, let's move on to the number 20. Number 20 says, if the combination of the f and g function is equal to 2x squared plus 3 and the gx function is equal to 3x, then the f and x function is equal to. So for this kind of problem, what should we do? Right, we should put the answer choices one by one and check if they are right or not, right? So we are given the gx function is equal to 3x, therefore f 3x is equal to 2x squared plus 3. So, among those answer choices, we are looking for, if we substitute x for 3x, then we should get something like what? 2x squared plus 3, right? So, if you do A, B, C, D,